we go. Okay, you might be better on that side actually. Yeah, there you go. Just to keep the umbrella out of the shot. So I've just got to keep that front edge lifted up. Awesome. Okay, hello, here we are again. Okay, so we'll get a couple of frames in here. So again, that small grid's the key light for you. Awesome. Excellent, love that, beautiful. And just look, bring your eyes to camera for me. Awesome, there you go. Excellent, that's nice, just there. Awesome. Okay, we'll do 5 shots in succession, just change it up after each shutter click. Here we go. Excellent. Awesome, love that. Nice, there we go. Excellent, we'll change the feet position again. There we go, that's it. Excellent. Couple more frames. Excellent. Love that one. Just got both hands down on the legs. There we go. Chin down a little bit. Awesome. Excellent. Awesome job. Relax. Cool. Thank you very much, my glamorous assistant. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, almost. Actually, not bad, not bad. How many more of these can you do? Okay, 3 more, I promise. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I want you looking off towards the camera a little bit. Well, not dead on at the camera, kind of in the corner. Yeah, yeah. And 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we go. So now do some 3/4 length here. Okay. So cropping. I'm going to crop below the hem of the coat. Yeah. Don't want to lose the hair. There we go. Awesome. Excellent. Okay. Turn side profile for me. Just that way. There we go. No problem. Excellent. There we go. Feet a little further apart on that. There we go. That's it. So it's almost a walking action, but we're still. There you go. Excellent. I like the hand up there. Excellent. Excellent. And relax. Cool. I'm saying now because this is getting heavy. Ah, well done. Awesome. Okay. It's amazing how much heavier this camera gets.
Like sugar, shooting your way through my veins. You're bad for me, but I stay. You're lightning, I'm out in the rain. No shelter. You feel like platinum, a diamond.